Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex tools into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to remove duplicates in Smartsheet 2025. If you're dealing with messy data in your projects, this tutorial will save you tons of time and frustration. Smartsheet is an amazing tool for collaboration and data management, but duplicates can sneak in and cause chaos. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at cleaning up your sheets. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Smartsheet account and navigate to the specific sheet where you have duplicates. Make sure you're logged in and have editing permissions. It's crucial for making changes. Once you're in, start by selecting the columns you want to check for duplicates. For example, if you're working with a list of contacts, highlight the email or name columns to focus your search. Next, head over to the Data menu at the top of the screen. Look for the Filter option. This is your best friend for spotting repeats. Apply a filter to the selected columns by choosing Unique Values or something similar. Smartsheet's 2025 updates have made this even easier, with smarter auto-detection features. Once the duplicates are highlighted, you can manually review and delete them by right-clicking the rows and selecting Delete Row. But if you have a large dataset, use the Automation tab to set up a workflow that automatically removes duplicates based on your criteria. This is a game changer for efficiency. Remember, always back up your sheet before making bulk changes to avoid any accidents. Pro tip: combine this with Smartsheet's formulas, like COUNTIF, to double-check for hidden duplicates. There you have it, clean, duplicate-free data in no time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Smartsheet tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay organized, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.